Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create tags in LiveChat. All right, first up, log into your LiveChat account. Now, once you're in here, just go to the bottom left, click on the gear icon, and then once done, go to this pane and go ahead and find tags. Click on tags, and in here, you can just easily create a tag, okay? Make sure that you set this one to the correct group. Go to the top, as you can see here under general, for all, okay? Or you have a list of team right here, you can go ahead and select, again, the correct team. And if you want to as well, you could always remind agents to include tags. All right, just toggle, just click on this slider. Now, once that's done, type down the tag that you wanted to add. For example, refund, okay? Type down refund, click on create tag. There you go. And once it's added, if you want to delete it in the future, you have that in here, the 3 dots, or just archive it, okay? And if you want to use it on an actual chat, go ahead over to chats. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and test it out right here. All right, in here, I'm just going to go ahead and pick this customer. And to use it, you have that one in here. You have add tag, or use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control plus Alt plus M, or just click on it, okay? Refund. There you go. It is now tagged. If you want to add in more tags, you can go ahead and do so. Maybe like that. And then right here, I'm just going to go ahead and select the refund canned response like so. And we're good to go. That is it. That is how you create tags here in LiveChat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.